Hi, this is Reverend Ken. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to like and share our video and comment on the video. It will mean a great deal to us. It will help spread our message out to a wider audience. So again, be sure to like us, to make a comment about us, or to share it with all your friends. It will do a great deal of good. Thank you so much. Today I'm using the Science of Mind magazine, the new edition, and in it is an article and affirmations by Dr. Edward Philhune. He is our new spiritual leader. And in one of his affirmations, he quotes Albert Einstein. And this is what he says: "Everybody is a genius, but if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it would live its whole life thinking it's stupid." It's amazing that no one can be you as well as you. So today, let us put this truth and these words of wisdom to work in our consciousness. We do that with affirmative prayer. I'm going to say this prayer in the first person. Take it in for yourself. Say something that works for you, hold tightly to it. If I say something that doesn't work for you, just let it slide by. But just know this truth with me today. There's only one God, one mind, one power. That power is divine intelligence. It is perfect love. And that intelligence wants to flow through me, creating a better life for me. So here today, for this service, I now open myself to every God-inspired idea, knowing that they are the way for me to lift my eyes up to a better knowing, so I can walk through the journey of my life with ease, with peace and health, prosperity and love. This is what Spirit has called me forth to do, and today I am saying yes to all of God's great goodness. This is my truth. I celebrate this right knowing, and I release this prayer into the mind of God to do its good and perfect, bold and dynamic work, returning to me multiplied abundantly. And together we say, and so it is.